Hello everybody, Smyrna Cowboy here. How y'all doing today? Today is May the 7th, 2019 at 12:06 in the afternoon. I had my 1 month post-op checkup today, and today I get to drive the car and the truck. Yay! Y'all will be with me on that little ride. But I wanted to show you a couple of things first, and then I'll explain to you what the doc said and what the prognosis is and all that. So, we are going to go over to the Scoot. And as you can see, it has pollen and everything else on it, but it's been sitting here anticipating my arrival of riding Gandalf. And as you see, it's on the battery tender. Let's go ahead and start it up, shall we? Yes, let's do. Just for the smell of the carbon monoxide. I've been starting these regularly, the car and, well, the bike and the truck, just because I don't want the battery to go down on it. So, let's go ahead and turn this bad boy on. Ah, fires right up. So I do that on occasion. Just to smell the carbon monoxide. As you can tell, there's a bunch of pollen on there. I'll make sure to clean it up. You see a lot of it right there. Ooh, a lot of pollen. But I'll clean it up first before I take it on a first post hip replacement ride. But I want you to come, as you, I guess you noticed, well, I guess you haven't, but what I'm going to do, this is my little buddy, the ice cube, that you've seen in the first video. What I'm going to do, this is an old safety vest, and what I intend on doing is cutting this like this, and so have that patch cut open like that, and then put this patch on the other safety vest that I have, so it'll be on the back of it in really extremely hot days. And then I'll put the frozen water bottles in it, and then I'll put those in here, and then what I'll do is I'll ratchet strap that to the back seat where Alf sits, and so I can have some cool water come in there and cool me down on extremely hot days. That's in the works, so we may try that July, August or something. So when I do attempt to do this, you know I'm gonna give you a video on that one. But that is that's the planning stages for that. We'll see how that works out. I usually use a cane. I'm off the walker completely, and I use my Hurricane, and I have to try to remember to put that down like in my other leg and get my gate down. So I'm going out to the truck now. So the next video you see, yes, I'm gonna wear my motorcycle helmet with the Cena 10C around the neighborhood. And the beauty of that is, when you get older, let me talk to you. Let me talk to you for one moment here. The beauty of that, can't see me, I don't guess. Can you see me now? Can you see me now? Yeah, that's all right. The beauty of this is when you get older, you get more wisdom, shall I say. You really don't care what you look like. It's all in what you want to do. So, so the next video you see of me getting in the truck, and we'll just ride around a little bit, and I'll tell you exactly. Let me turn it this way, see if you can see. Yeah, you can see me better. Beauty of that is when I get in the truck, and I'll ride around the neighborhood, and I'll tell you exactly what the doctor says and my prognosis. So hang on, we're getting in the truck.
Well, okay, let's give her a shot here. Yeah, I know, right? Get this leg up here. And get right in there. It's pretty good. Here we go. I know I look stupid. But then again, I don't care. Cool thing about getting older, isn't it? Hopefully I still remember how to drive. Turn that off. Turn the air conditioner on. All right, got everything. Wait till it warms up a tad. Let's put my shades on. There we go. See, I look pretty. I look pretty. And away we go. All right, I have no trouble going from gas to brake. So, good. I feel very, very comfortable in the truck. Now, I went to go see Dr. Ruth this morning. They took another x-ray of my new hip, and everything is going excellent. My therapy is going great. He checked the incision, and he said everything looks fantastic. So now, what I have to do is, because I have to do those bales and stuff on the weekends, if I just did office work, I would be back already next week or so. But since I have to do some physical stuff on the weekends, then he wants me to strengthen this leg up and everything else and let it heal some more. So I will be out till June the 8th. I'll be back to work June the 12th. So hopefully they're going to still be on PT, but I'll do that 2 days a week, and I'll have some exercises at home that I do. I'm doing the leg slides and all that. The toe stands and knee up and all that good stuff and everything. So, Lord willing, I'll be back to work by June the 12th. So now I get to drive, but my leg is still not up far enough to get over the hump on the scoot yet, but I've got it on a center stand. But I think if I put it down on the side stand, I should be able to do it. But I'm going to give that another week so I can strengthen this leg up and hip. So probably I'm shooting for Monday, this coming Monday. I don't know what day of the month it is, but I'm going to shoot for Monday, and then I'm going to give it a shot to ride the bike. Uh-oh. Which way are you going, buddy? There you go. And we're going to go that route and see how that does. So that's really just about it. Thank you again for everybody's thoughts, well wishes, and prayers. I really do appreciate it. And if everything goes on time and on schedule, I will still be able to make my 60th birthday run. I'll do the loop that I tried to do last year. I'm anxious to get on the bike and put her through her paces and see how that motorcycle tire is going to do. Think I got it scuffed out enough, but I think I'll take it easy for a little bit to scuff it out even more. And see what happens. But I'm anxious to get back on the bike. Well, first I'm anxious to get back to work, just in case my wife does see this video. And secondly, I'm anxious to get back on the bike. I know I hate people. I hate to have to depend on people. I'll get it right in a minute. For my transportation needs while I've been in recovery, and I know it's a major operation and stuff, and I'm not allowed to drive and so on and so forth, but that still doesn't relinquish the fact that I'm depending on other people for my transportation, but now I don't. So now I can start doing some stuff around the house a little bit at a time until I get my strength and endurance up. Little projects that I've had around the house that I've been putting off and putting off. And they gave us a list thing of stuff to expect after 1 month and everything, what you can and can't do and stuff like that. And, you know, the biggest thing for me, I know it's a major operation, but it just seems to me that I get tired easily now. But that's to be expected according to the little sheet they gave us. That's to be expected until I can get my endurance up. I've been walking every day, a little bit at a time. So I'll show you the route I take. That I'm doing now. And try to get my gait down because I've been limping so hard over the last years. And my good friend Rick Ireland at Bridgestone, when I do that, he yells out heel toe. And believe it or not, that has really helped me to try to get my gait back straight, normal, if I'm normal at anything. And Rick, if you do see this video, I really do appreciate all the help you've been giving me. Now, you see my home there, the White House. I come out there, then I go down here, and then I come back. So the next thing that I'll try to do is go from my home, that's here, and go all the way down to the stop sign. Well, I'll probably go half and then come back to the stop sign. Come back home for a couple of times, and then after that, I'll go to the stop sign and come back. So just to build up my endurance is the main thing, and to get my gait correct. So that's the plan, really. So then again, I really like to thank y'all for your thoughts, prayers, well wishes, and such as that. And I'm ready to get back to, let's go this way. Truck, let's wait that way. To get back on the bike and resume a normal day as possible. So that's about it, really. Thanks again for watching. And hopefully the next video you see on my channel will be me riding the scoot. So something to look forward to, huh? This is the Smyrna Cowboy here in the metropolis of Smyrna, Tennessee. Wishing you and yours a good day. And until next time, adios.